Welcome. Let's simplify this algebraic expression. Remember, we are having 2 into bracket 2y plus x plus 3 into bracket y plus 3x. What we have to do is to use the terms outside the bracket to multiply those in a bracket. So 2 times 2y will give you 4y plus 2 times x will give you 2x. Then 3 times y will be 3y. 3 times 3x, that will be 9x. The next is to group like terms together, meaning 4y will have each counterpart to be 3y, plus 2x will have the counterpart to be 9x. Remember, this is just like you are adding 4 apples to 3 apples. That becomes 7 of the apples. Then 2 oranges plus 9 oranges will give you 11 of the oranges. So this becomes the final expansion.